Hello, my name is Oliver with Views HVAC, and today we're gonna assist our client with city inspection. We install for him new main panel.
What we do, we have to do that because some clients ask us why just we have to do inspection.
Yeah.
And inspection is safety procedure. So when we inspect our appliances, we trying to find out safety issues. I mean, actually, I would say it that way. Inspector trying to find out safety issues, and alright, so the fuse right there installed a new electrical panel.
Yeah.
Upgraded to 200 amps,
yeah.
and it was 100 amps, right? 100 amps, so it's much better. So it's twice more energy coming to the new house, and now we can see everything labeled, everything made well. So I see nice overhead connecting to the power lines. Okay, so to prepare the panel, I'll need to open it. So I'm gonna grab my tools and
Did you have to turn off power?
yeah, we won't turn off the power itself. We just open the cover of this panel, because inspector have to see the wiring sizes and how the breakers are mounted inside the panels. If it's made well, so you're gonna pass the inspection and everything gonna be fine.
Hey, you guys did it.
Yeah.
So.
As well. Also, inspector will double check the grounding, so how it's grounded, and because that's safety, it's your safety. If any current leakage happens, it's very
ground here, there's a ground there.
it has to be 2 grounds,
And
16.
there is one in the front also.
It run in front, connecting to your water pipe, water line. Yes, that's correct. So there has to be 2 within 6 feet of the panel. And you have 1, you have 2. So each panel has to have installed surge protectors. And in this panel we see surge protector square D installed on the top of the panel. So to show the panel, we have to expose all the wiring. And I already have prepared my screwdriver for that. So just see. Okay, yeah. Let's see what we see here. Okay. Everything super nice. Everything labeled. So each conductor even labeled here. Siphon conductor labeled. Or vertical. I mean, actually, I think this is zone labeling. So that actually where exactly that goes. 21, 16, 20. Yeah, super nice installation. I mean, okay. What we need to do, we need to disconnect the charger, and it has to be number 9. Okay, let's just put back the charger outlets. So we disconnect it. Check the wiring matching the size of the breaker, 8 AVG, and so now we disconnected. We have to expose the outlet for the city inspector, because he will double check the wiring size and the breaker size. So that's it. Okay, so we need to open the outlet and expose the wiring, because inspector will double check conductor sizes and if they're matching the breaker size. So this is 50 amps outlet NEMA. This outlet's been used for the EV cars. Like you see right there, you can see it's Electron EV charger, and the client has EV car. So basically, he just plug in this outlet inside and like this way, and he has to have. He can charge the car. So, as we can see, it's got to be number 9, and it's matching. So the box also grounded. Alright, so we coming back to our client. All the inspections passed amazingly. Our appliances are confirmed with all the national safety requirements and all the city requirements. City inspector just left. And now we're coming back to the client. So Shar, we passed all the inspections
Okay.
and all the U permits are signed off.
Okay,
So
great.
You have the signatures right there.
Okay.
Both of the permits, and so all job is done.
Everything's done.
Everything is done.
Okay, excellent.
Yeah. So
Thank you.
we just put everything back as it was, and double check the equipment. Equipment work after we're done, and that'll be it. So we will leave you site.
Sorry?
We'll leave you.
He'll leave you. Okay.
Yeah, leave you with
Okay.
brand new appliances,
Okay.
alone,
Excellent.
working perfectly.
So all three, the panel, the EV, and the
Yes.
water heater.
Yes, yes.
Okay. Awesome. I'll make a copy of this.
Yeah, for sure. For your records, and you have to keep it.
Okay.
But it's also gonna be available online.
Yeah, I've
Yeah.
seen that. I've seen that.
You were able to find it in the building permit portal,
Yeah.
and just by typing the permit.
Right. Okay.
Yeah, yeah.